Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is June 11th, 2025, and we're diving into Vera Bradley's first quarter fiscal year 2026 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Vera Bradley, known for its vibrant designs and accessories, has just released its Q1 results, and there's a lot to unpack.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Vera Bradley reported net revenues of $51.7 million for the first quarter, a significant drop from last year's $67.9 million. John, what are the key factors behind this decline?
The decline in revenue is primarily due to decreased sales in both the direct and indirect segments. The direct segment saw a 23.6% decrease, while the indirect segment experienced a 25.6% drop. This was largely driven by reduced traffic and conversion rates in their stores, as well as a decline in specialty and key account orders.
And what about profitability?
Vera Bradley reported a net loss of $18.3 million, or 66 cents per diluted share. On a non-GAAP basis, the adjusted EPS was minus 36 cents, which is worse than the forecasted 13. This reflects ongoing challenges in their operational efficiency and cost management.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, can you elaborate on Vera Bradley's operational performance this quarter?
Sure. The gross profit was $22.8 million, representing 44.1% of net revenues, down from 50.1% last year. This decline is attributed to a shift from brick-and-mortar to online sales, which increased outbound freight costs. SG&A expenses were $40.8 million, or 79% of net revenues, indicating a need for better cost control.
What about their future outlook?
Vera Bradley has suspended its forward guidance due to leadership changes and market uncertainties. This suggests they are reassessing their strategic direction, which could impact future performance.
Strategic initiatives and leadership changes. Vera Bradley has made some strategic moves recently. Can you tell us more about these initiatives?
Absolutely. The company completed the sale of Pura Vida, which is now classified as discontinued operations. This move is part of their strategy to streamline operations and focus on core business areas. Additionally, they've announced several executive and board leadership changes, which could bring fresh perspectives to their strategic planning.
How might these changes impact the company?
These changes could be pivotal. New leadership often brings new strategies, which could help address current challenges and potentially lead to a turnaround in performance. However, it also introduces uncertainty as the new team settles in.
Balance sheet and liquidity. Let's discuss Vera Bradley's financial health. How does their balance sheet look?
Vera Bradley's financial condition remains strong, with $86 million in liquidity and no debt, which provides them with a solid foundation to navigate current challenges. However, their cash position has decreased to $11.3 million from $43.8 million last year, indicating cash flow pressures.
And what does this mean for their ability to invest in growth?
While they have no debt, the reduced cash position could limit their ability to invest aggressively in growth initiatives. They'll need to manage their resources carefully to balance operational needs and strategic investments.
Key takeaways. In summary, Vera Bradley's first quarter results reflect significant challenges with declining revenues and profitability. However, their strong liquidity position and leadership changes could pave the way for a strategic turnaround. John, any final thoughts?
Vera Bradley is at a crossroads. While the current results are disappointing, the company's strategic initiatives and leadership changes could potentially lead to a positive shift. Investors should watch closely how these developments unfold.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Vera Bradley's performance in the comments below.